Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Bell Bank mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for Bell Bank mortgage login. Now, you can go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the Bell Bank's official page where you can see the login button over here. Click on login and you can either choose your personal or business account and enter your username, password and go ahead and click on the login button. And if in case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password. Clicking this link will lead you to the Bell Bank authentication system which access the username, and then you can go ahead and enter your username and an email verification code will be sent to your mail after you enter your email address, and then you can reset your password very easily. So there are also some additional logins and guides and tutorials links. You can go ahead and check them out. I hope this video about Bell Bank Mortgage was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.